finire il cielo, magari dove dormi tu.
Hi there, I'm at the Palazzo Tascalanza doing a cooking class with the Duchess Nicoletta Polo out here on her beautiful balcony. I don't know if you can see out here, absolutely beautiful. Everyone's doing a cooking class. Now out here going through in her beautiful Palazzo Tasca. We might just walk a little bit and go into the dining room, her beautiful dining room. Have a look at this one, might be doing something here. Have a look at that one. Historical palazzo where the leopard beautiful, go through the corridors and maybe we might be able to see her in the kitchen talking to the guests. It's a wonderful icon for Palermo, and a lot of the tourists love coming here and doing a cooking class with her. It's an amazing time to do it with her, as she teaches you the history of Palermo, the history of Sicilian cooking, and her history as well. And it's a wonderful experience to do. So if you're ever in Palermo, do look up the Duchess Nicoletta Polo. I go on to Butera 28, and you can email her or call her, and she's very welcoming and very hospitable. Bye.